Cap's coming in on approach onto the dock. They're kind of at an off angle, though. He's going to have to reline this one up. Plenty of people to get the assist. We've got a guy with some lines in the hand. I don't see any fenders out. And Cap's going to try and set it up one more time. But welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the dock. And today we are down here at Point Marina. So Cap is trying to bring it around. And there we go, we got a fender out now as well. Taking the slow roll approach. Doesn't really like the approach he's coming at again. He's gonna have to back it out one more time. Fender's probably a little low to do any good on this boat. You're gonna have to get it up there a little bit. Alright, so Cap looks like he's finally gonna actually make an attempt on the dock here. Plenty of people on the assist. Coming in a little hot. Might want to brake check it just a second. No, he's gonna hit. Oh, they wind up hitting the dock. Our guy goes for the toss off the bow, misses. Our stern line gets on, but we're going to have to try and get the bow line over. Goes for the toss, and they'll get it pulled over, but man, they hit the dock pretty solid there. And our guy's even going to go down and take a look at it and see what the damage is. Cap on approach. I always get nervous when I watch these guys standing in the bow of a vessel like this. It's just kind of a vulnerable spot. If Cap brake checks, you're going off the front. So Cap's coming in, heavy bow in angle. What in the world was that? He just tossed the line up on the dock. That's not going to do anything, bro, in any world. Unless one of these ladies was going to grab it for you. But he didn't even go and try for the loop. He's just like, yeah, let me toss it up there and we'll see if anything happens. So Cap's going to have to come around again, and we're going to go for attempt number 2 on the dock. Again, heavy bow angle toward the dock. And get a little closer. Hopefully his guy can get off on the bow and actually just step onto the dock. And he's grabbing the pole, and there we go. He walks it off. But you gotta let some slack out on that line. He's got the bow line too tight, so he's kicking the stern around on the boat. And Good Samaritan jumps in to try and help out here, but our guy can't even get it back over. We missed with the line toss. He's just got to give a little slack on that bow line to be able to get the bow up the dock and the stern around. And there we go. And we're finally getting somewhere. And that should be good to get this one put up. So Cap's making his approach. Try and get it turned around, it looks like, to try and slide in. But no, we're going to leave the helm. Going to grab the bow line. I guess we're going to go for the toss. There we go. So if they pull the bow around, he should slide up on this dock. Oh, they got to do it faster than that. They're going to miss. And they've missed. He's now beyond the slip he was trying to pull into. Man, you got to be careful. He's backing in. He's going to wind up hitting the boat on his port hand side here. You're going to have to let go of that bow line, bro. He's backing off. And he leaves the helm to go push off the other vessel. And there we go. The guy's going to toss the bow line back in. He's going to have to reset this one all up again. And it is crazy busy down here at Black Point today, but I mean, it's crazy busy down here every day, it feels like. Don't get me wrong, if you come here on a Wednesday at noon, it's going to be a little slow. But I mean, the weekends are just always nuts. Our guy's coming back around one more time. Is he going to go for the bow line toss, or we're going to try and power it in there this time? There we go. Looks like he's got a pretty good approach on it this time. Kind of far off the dock, but he'll just toss the bow line over and they'll be able to walk him over. Now, I always get interested in things like this. I've never seen this vessel before. This is a complete new one to me, but I always love seeing new boats. And I stare at boats all day long, guys. Between the inlets, the boat ramps, and everything else we do, so it's not often that I see something new. But our guys trying to come in on the dock here. They've definitely got a bow thruster. I can tell by the way they're approaching, so it should be an easy docking situation, but they're coming at a very strange angle. And somebody's off onto the dock. I'm wondering if they lost power. I can tell they're moving it by the bow thruster, but I haven't seen anything come out of these rear motors. Yeah, he trims them up a little bit, but there's no signs that they're actually turned on. He's trying to keep his beautiful boat from getting scuffed on the dock while his guy's trying to pull it around, but it's just a big vessel and he's struggling to get it over there. Probably could assist by turning the wheel the other way and allowing the boat to probably make that turn a little smoother. But man, they are struggling to get it over. And the struggle is real down here at Black Point. Our guy's giving one more good tug, but it almost feels like they're just stuck at this point right here. There we go. He's starting to turn and move around now. And hopefully they'll be good, and it looks like they'll get this one walked up, and they'll be able to get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats versus Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.